What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is to find the area of the shaded rectangle, and you can see it's shaded there in purple. Now, the information that we have is that we've got two squares here, right? And this is a 10 by 10 square, and the inside square is 6 by 6. Using that information, you got to find the area of that rectangle. Go ahead and hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So in this problem, what we see is what we get, and we're going to make a couple inferences that you can kind of assume from the diagram. For example, again, like I mentioned before, these are squares on the outside and inside, which means these are all going to be right angles as they appear, etc. Now, if I know that this side right here is 6 and it's centered perfectly within this 10 by 10 square, as it appears to be, then I can see that this little side right here is going to be 2. And this side over here is also going to be 2. Now that's really useful because that gives me one of the dimensions of the rectangles. And by the way, now if you add them all up, right, 2 plus 6 plus 2, that of course gives me that full length of 10. Okay, so that's pretty helpful. And then again, these all look to be identical or equal rectangles. So if this distance here is 2, this distance here is going to be 2, again, this distance here is going to be 2, so on and so forth. Now the final question is, what is this dimension here? What is this dimension like this? Because that will give us the second important dimension of the rectangle. Well, if this dimension right here is also going to be 2, as I noted over here, this has to be whatever 10 minus 2 is, which is 8. Which means that the area of the rectangle would simply be length times width, or 8 times 2, which is 16. I hope you enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. And if you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.